Vlogging tour host. Vlogging tour. Pwede na ako sa vlogging, oh. Oo, diba? Naka-level 2 ka.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought you'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight?
25
You're all that I want. Yes,
Ay, ano eh? Hello. Unwinding muna tayo. Sige.
I'll never dream of skies with you. I think I'll be
Saan ka? Sa ano? Sa Lanay. Eh, sa Lanay? Lanay yung isang ata. Wala, nag-ano lang kami. Teka, saan kayo? Live ka po mamaya. Kung nakarating maaga, mag-live. Vlogging yard. Hangin mo sa mukha. Ganda dito. I-flip ko.
My love will always stay
Bakit po ako
by
mamaya?
you.
Sige, mamaya. Pag maaga ako nakauwi.
Keep it
Maaga ako
safe,
nakauwi.
so
Pwede kasi
don't you
nakauwi ko
worry
ngayon.
a thing.
Kaya,
I'll tell you I love
unwind
you
mo na kami. Oh,
more.
diba? Ang
It's
ganda.
stuck with you forever. So promise
Pero may
you
iba
won't
naman.
let it go.
Nasa
I'll
outside
trust
ako.
the universe
Hindi ka
will
nag-stream. Na-restrict ako eh, kagabi. Kagabi, nag-stream ako.
Imagine if
Hi!
I belong
Itutour ko kayo.
under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with
Para maiba naman.
the ocean's colors on your face. I'll
Vlogging
leave
naman
my
tayo, vlogging.
heart with your
Let's
end.
go.
So let me fly with you. Will you be
Wow, thank you.
forever with me?
Sa lanay ako eh. Kaya mag-ano tayo. Mag-unwind. Wow, thank you. Post mo ito. Mag-live. Mag-live hawak. Ano ito di? Highlands. Sa Tanay. Go to high places pag malungkot ka. Para wag kang alam mo na. Huwag ka ganun.